Hello, hunters, and welcome to the GreedHunter Academy, where we will learn, hack, build, and grow together. This is the first lecture in this series where I will show you how to download and install VirtualBox in your system. Whether you are a BCA, MCA, BTech, or any technical student, learning to use virtual machines is a must. It helps you practice operating systems, networking, Linux commands, and many other tools all safely on your system. Before we start, let's first download VirtualBox, right? So open your browser and search for virtualbox.org, and it will land you to a official page of VirtualBox. So in this page, just click on this blue big button says download, and you will be redirected to the downloads page. From here, just click on the Windows host as we are going to download it from Windows operating systems. Now press Ctrl J to check the download. Right, it is start download has been already started. So before we install it, let's first understand what exactly a VirtualBox is. So technically, a VirtualBox is a virtualization software that allows you to run multiple operating systems on a single computer. So instead of using a second laptop or dual boot setup, you can just create a virtual machine and run any operating system you want directly from your laptop or desktop. It is very simple, safe, and very useful for practicing technical experiments, right? So as you can see, this is already downloaded. Just click on this file. So a pop-up appears that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. Maybe this screen is recorded or not, but it will, right? So the virtual machine, the VirtualBox installer wizard has been started. Yes, this is it. So just click on next and follow the on-screen instructions. Click on next, and here just click on I accept the terms of license agreement. Click on next, and this is keep everything as default, and this is the location where all the files related to VirtualBox are being installed. C program files, Oracle, VirtualBox, right? Click on next. Escape the network disconnection warnings. Click on yes, and click on yes again, and click on next, and just click on the install button. So you can see within few seconds the VirtualBox will be installed on your system, right? So as you can see, it is downloaded and installed as well. Just click on finish to launch it, and here we go. The VirtualBox has been successfully installed on your system, and this screen, this interface is the actual dashboard where you will or we will be creating and managing all our virtual machines in the virtual further lectures.